But just then, Kansas City was celebrating your incredible win. We saw pride.
Wonderful. Couldn't have said it better myself.
You have got to be kidding me.
Pride giving way to tragedy. A loving mom, beloved local DJ, was gunned down. Dozens were injured. 11 kids in the hospital. And amid the chaos, this team stepped up again. Trey helped pull people to safety. James, who lost his own father to gun violence, reassured kids they'd be okay.
There's clearly some dementia. He's not lucid.
One teen remembers Coach Reed giving him a hug, telling him, just breathe, just breathe.
What the hell are you talking about?
Wait. When one boy was separated from his dad, Clyde helped keep him from harm. The boy's dad later said, and I quote, "You can be an athlete."